Hello planning mashers and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here and love all the things bullet journal and planning, then hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click that notification bell so you always know when I release a new video. Now first of all, do not panic. I am not switching to digital planning. I'm always going to be a paper girl, but as I mentioned, I don't have equipment to film my paper plan with me videos, so I thought I would give a try to something new, and while I can, I would just experiment with digital planning. So that's what we're doing today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I looked through a lot of different digital planners and I figured that I still want to do the same thing I do in my actual planner, and I got like a super cheap empty planner from Etsy. I will leave all the links in the description, but the point is that it allows me to be as creative as I want and to just do the same thing I do in my normal bullet journal. That's why today you will see me setting up all the pages from complete zero. I will not be talking during the plan with me video, but I will be back in the end to kind of mention on a few things. And before we go into it, let me just go through some of the materials I'm using. I'm using an iPad and an Apple Pencil, but I wanted to kind of go into the software. So I'm using the app called GoodNotes. It's not the only one out there, but that's just the one I'm using. And because I really wanted to be creative and to make everything from zero, I'm actually also using an app called Procreate where I can design my stuff. So if you're looking for a tutorial on digital planning with Procreate, this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the end. you guys had as much fun watching that video as I did setting up my digital planner. It's really very different, and I feel like I need some time to get more comfortable with my digital designs and Apple Pencil writing especially, but it all comes with practice. Just one thing I wanted to note is that if you do color coding for your mood tracker, it's probably better to do colors in GoodNotes app versus doing it in Procreate like I did, because when I came back and I edited it all to GoodNotes, I realized that I probably won't be able to use the same colors in GoodNotes because it doesn't have the same functionality, and I would have to go back to Procreate and check for the codes for the colors. So actually what I did is that I erased, I believe that I used the white pen to cover the colors that I pre-made in Procreate and did the same color coding but with the colors from GoodNotes. That way I can easily use the right color and there will be no misunderstanding. If you want to bring ocean theme to your actual paper bullet journal, I do have something special for you as well. I do have a Patreon account where you guys can support me and I create special exclusive content, and I do offer full-on monthly bullet journal setups. For June we are actually doing ocean theme, and it might be something similar to what you saw in this Plan With Me video. So it would be great if you come join us and you can get this ocean June setup as well as tons of other awesome things. I will leave all links in the description and I will see you in the next video. Keep bullet journaling and don't be a blob. Bye!